Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone any website in just a few minutes. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code. We'll be using two simple tools, a browser extension to save the website's resources and an AI tool to rebuild the site structure. First, search Save All Resources in Google. Go to the first result and download his browser extension. Click on Add to Chrome. It will start to download and install the extension to your web browser. In the top right corner, it will display extensions after downloading is complete. Click on pin icon and make it visible always. Now, search TRAI in the Google and download it. When it starts, it will ask for permission from the network. Now, click on Get Started. Choose a theme and click on Continue. Click on Install Tray command. Now we need to create an account on this TRAI. You can log in with Google. After the email selection, it started to create our account. Click on Login and open Tray. This is the website I'm going to clone. This is an HTML free template I found from the internet. You can do this for your selected any website also. To download all resources, right-click on the website and click on Inspect. Now, click on this arrow icon and click on Resource Saver. It will take some time to load all website resources. After it's completed, click on Save All Resources. Now, select path to download it. Now go to the downloaded location and extract the zip folder. Open Tray IDE and open our website resources folder from the IDE. Now paste the prompt I added to the description of this video. Click on Send button. All our resources files will be linked and the website will start to run. Click on Run button after all are completed. This is the website we cloned and it successfully run in our local server. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.